Casey from CIP Native Online. In my spare time, I love to read and do various arts and crafts such as sewing, scrapbooking, painting, and sketching. I also love to watch good film and television, and I also love to eat. I would say I have been teaching for about 3 years now, to a kid just about your age. I used to teach not only English, but also algebra, biology, chemistry, etc. My teaching style will be focused mainly on speaking and reading comprehension. I believe that speaking with a native helps the student learn the English language significantly better and faster. I also love making interactive audio and visual activities for my students. It not only helps them retain information longer, it also increases their attention span. What you'll be getting from my class are better speaking and communicative skills, better vocabulary and reading comprehension, and of course, better listening and writing skills. I can't wait to have you in my class. See you soon at CIP Native Online. Teacher Casey.